Hello everyone! Welcome to the Travel Range. Today we are bringing you the gem of Scandinavia. If you have not visited this beautiful country yet, we are convinced you will be booking your flights after watching this video. Have you heard of dark winters? When you won't be able to see natural sunshine for several days. And bright summers, when the sun shines even after midnight, allowing you to read a book. Sweden is a country that you should visit, especially the northern areas. There is a big difference in light between summer and winter. In the winter, it's mostly dark. In the summer, it's always light. In the winter, there is a lot of snow in the far north of Sweden and even in other parts of the country. And in summer, the sun never sets from May to mid of July. Sun shines 24 hours a day, and this is known as midnight sun. In winter, the northern region of the country is covered with snow. For several weeks, the sun never shines and temperature goes down to minus 40 degrees. And these nights, known as polar nights. Earth and sun movement is a reason behind it. People who live in other part of the country can experience a bit of light in winter and short darkness in summer. In January, when the sun starts shining for a while, it feels like one is seeing the sun for the first time in their life. Beside that, lights of different colors on sky makes you feel you living in a dream world. And we're sure you're going to fall in love with those lights. And you will enjoy the winter more than ever in this beautiful country. However, you can expect snowstorms that can be very hectic, and aurora lights after that can calm you as well. If you ever wake up around 2 a.m. in the night, just look outside the window. You will feel like God has spread the pearls all over the land. However, summer is easy, a bit warmer, windy, and green. Trust me, everything is worth experiencing in this country. But it is highly possible to have sleepless nights during summer due to 24 hours bright sunlight. This is why hotels and apartments uses double layers of dark window blinds and curtains. But still, it could be hard to get enough sleep. People usually get paid summer vacations, and they spend time traveling, camping, eating, and other water sport activities. As Sweden is surrounded by 24,000 lakes, waterfalls, rivers, and a beautiful blue sea, you can have a ton of activities like fishing, boating, rafting, or simply place a camp at any camping site and enjoy the beauty of nature. At camping sites, you will find grills, dining tables, small shops, clean toilets, and shower rooms In addition to that, you can rent small, beautiful huts for family and couples at beaches and lakes with all the necessities of life, so you can feel home, far from home. If you're a city person, Sweden won't disappoint you. For instance, take a tour of Stockholm. Trust me, the city is full of amazing cafes, restaurants, bars, and executive class shopping malls. If you are with family, parks, playlands, water resorts, or take tour to a national museum. And in the afternoon, take a long walk in the safe, clean, and mesmerizing forests of Sweden. As 70% of Sweden is covered with green forests. And don't forget to take a basket to gather delicious and fresh wild berries. People usually enjoy whole summer so they can gather energy for extreme winter. Regardless of extreme weather conditions, we bet that you won't regret paying a visit to this beautiful country. That's all for today. Which country are you traveling this summer? We would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And like this video and subscribe for more travel content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.